When we think of sugar, we usually picture sweet treats, comforting drinks, or a quick burst of energy to get through the day. Rarely do we imagine that the same sugar could act as a hidden coach, quietly training cancer cells to move faster, adapt, and spread. Yet the recent study in Nature Metabolism sheds light on exactly that process, revealing how fructose and glucose from sugary drinks interact with the enzyme SORD to enhance colorectal cancer cell mobility. While the concept may sound alarming, the research also carries a positive message. Understanding the mechanics behind this coaching provides opportunities for intervention, prevention, and smarter choices. Picture the body as a city bustling with activity. Most cells are like diligent citizens maintaining infrastructure, traffic flow, and communication, ensuring the city runs smoothly. Cancer cells, on the other hand, are like residents wanting to escape their neighborhood, but normally they are confined, limited in movement, and unable to roam freely. Sugar enters as an unseen coach, and SORD acts like the trainer. Under normal conditions, SORD is a quiet, efficient worker that helps cells process sugars for everyday energy. But when excess fructose and glucose flood the system from sugary beverages, SORD ramps up, turning ordinary sugar into a high-octane energy source that cancer cells can use to train. This training improves their agility and speed, enabling them to move beyond their original territory and begin metastasis. A casual soda, sweet tea, or juice, while seemingly harmless, becomes, at the molecular level, a coach guiding rogue cells on a marathon they weren't supposed to run. The encouraging aspect of this discovery lies in the clarity it provides. For years, the connection between sugar and cancer progression was largely speculative, understood only in broad strokes. Now, scientists can see the exact pathway. Sugar fuels SORD, SORD energizes cancer cells, and cancer cells gain mobility. This level of understanding is empowering because it reveals a concrete target for intervention. Therapies could be developed to regulate or inhibit SORD, effectively benching the coach and preventing cancer cells from gaining the energy boost they need to metastasize. What might have seemed like an uncontrollable process is now a pathway that researchers can strategically disrupt, creating new opportunities for treatment. For everyday life, the study also provides actionable insights. Reducing sugary drinks is no longer just about weight management or reducing the risk of metabolic disease. It becomes a deliberate step to remove the fuel that enables cancer cells' high-speed training. Choosing water, unsweetened beverages, or whole fruits instead of sweetened drinks can slow the cells down, keeping them in their proper neighborhood and preventing the unwanted marathon. Each small, consistent choice becomes an empowering preventive act, shifting the balance in favor of healthy cells and making it harder for cancer cells to spread. Another positive takeaway is the nuance regarding SORD itself. This enzyme is not harmful. It is essential for normal metabolism, helping cells convert sugar into usable energy for everyday functions. The problem arises only when excess sugar meets cancerous cells. This specificity is hopeful because it means that interventions can be targeted, intelligent, and minimally disruptive to healthy biology. Science has identified a precise mechanism, giving both researchers and individuals actionable strategies to reduce risk while preserving normal cellular function. Ultimately, sugar, the unseen coach behind cancer's marathon, transforms a seemingly invisible and alarming process into a story of knowledge, opportunity, and control. It reframes sugar not as an abstract villain, but as a factor whose influence we can understand and manage. Awareness, informed choices, and targeted scientific interventions become the tools to slow or prevent cancer's spread. The sugar may be acting as a coach, but now science and conscious action are in control of the game, ready to redirect the race toward resilience, prevention, and hope.